Industry is committed to play its part in fulfillment of the vision of Honorable Chief Minister Sir of Telangana, Shri K. Chandrasekhar Rao ji. The dream of Golden Telangana will be fulfilled when employment opportunities are created for the people of state. DXN Marketing India Private Limited, a member company of IDSA, is playing its part in the development of Telangana state. In order to share with us more details about DXN's ongoing development plans in the state, I would like to invite Shri Mohammad Rafiq, Regional Head of DXN Marketing, to come on the dais and address the gathering. Mohammad Rafiq, sir.
Good afternoon. So it gives me a pleasure to address this event, and thank you IDSA for organizing the event. And I'm also very happy to share for you information, the affairs and the relationship what DXN has made with the Telangana government recently. So DXN group initiation in Telangana project is not only for its manufacturing facilities and is also on the socio-economic development, especially on the farmer in the state. So due to the massive growth and the expansion, and DXN has decentralized its production process all over the world. So basically DXN has concentrated on two countries, one is in China and another was in India. So in China we ventured in 2016 and 2018 we ventured in India. So when we are talking about India, due to the good governance and the ease of making business, and it was a very great support from the present Finance Minister, Mr. T. Harish Rao, the Honorable Minister of the State. And DXN has initiated its production process, manufacturing and cultivation in Telangana and Siddipet. So in 2018, DXN has acquired 47 acres of land for its production process. And we started the groundbreaking ceremony in 2018 and with the project value of 250 crores. And also, it gives a direct employment of 1,000 people. And by 2020, we are planning to start the full-fledged production in Telangana from the Siddipet factory. The beauty of this project is it's not only on the manufacturing facility. As DXN, we believe we are known for a one dragon company. That means starting from the cultivation, the production process and marketing, everything will be under one roof. So with the concept of one dragon company, it will embrace around 1,000 farmers into this concept. That means the cultivation of the raw material will be outsourced from DXN to the nearby farmers. So we are giving the plants and the samplings and the seed to the farmers to grow our raw materials. And we will give them the technical know-how and we will give them the training how to produce the materials. And we will also give you a buyback guarantee that we will buy the production from them. So by this one, it is going to help a lot of farmers in and around the society of the Siddipet. And not only this, recently in April 2019, the Agriculture Minister, Honorable Mr. Niranjan Reddy, visited DXN Malaysia for in our farmland and factory. And we are also in the initial stages going on, initial discussion is going on to have one more manufacturing unit in Vanarpati. So with this one, so DXN and Telangana ties is going very strong. And we hope, thank you very much for the Telangana state and all the government officials who are very supportive for the direct selling. And on behalf of DXN and each and every distributor, we thank you for their effort to provide all the support. And with this support, we are sure the socio-economic development will happen in Telangana, which started in Siddipet and will also grow in all other places. And with the direct sellers like us and direct sellers like you, it will give a wonderful opportunity for the Telangana to be #1 in direct selling in India. So thank you very much.